Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Ethereum basically is a highest level mintable coin with a ticker ETH that generally has a kind of present worth of $3,596.11 and a market capitalization of $432,11,677,223, or so they generally thought. Digital currencies especially have fundamentally lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists and obscure sellers, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. These days, it's a resource class that for the most part is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate in every practical sense large way. Some huge speculation banks even obtain Ethereum and by and large other cryptographic forms of money altogether to fundamentally safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that most certainly depend on the readings of our in every way that really matters, special crypto unpredictability record that basically assists us with measuring the market feeling and expect where in which the market means to go. Showing how Ethereum basically is a highest level mintable coin with a ticker ETH that in every practical sense has a sort of present worth of $3,596.11 and a market capitalization of $432,11,677,223, which essentially is genuinely huge. At this point, the cost of Ethereum generally is $3,596.11, while the coin at present ends up at second spot in the by and large, certainly positioning in an essentially enormous manner. The said certainly positioning is assessed based on the resource's extremely present value, that is, increased by its exceptionally current market capitalization, a recipe that fundamentally is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients certainly get the most pertinent information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios, which is genuinely huge. It's likewise essential to explicitly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an especially large manner. On Walk 3, the cost of Ethereum truly was at $3,422.05 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change certainly added up to 371% in a by and large huge manner. 7 days prior, on February 26, ETH essentially was esteemed at $3,112.70, which explicitly intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has explicitly vacillated by 0%, or so they explicitly thought. A month prior, on February 4, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,308.04. In this manner, the coin truly has taken a 55-81% action to arrive at its, in every practical sense, present standings in a huge way in fact. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main really factor that we most certainly consider while making the cost forecast in an unobtrusive manner. It's likewise essential to by and large watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to truly have a reasonable perspective on where the market is going, or so they really thought. The examination of market capitalization for the most part conveys in every way that really matters equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors in an essentially significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the really by and large position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which is very huge. Changes in market capitalization, positive or exceptionally negative, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resource's kind of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and certainly long-haul points of view, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This specific measurement for the most part is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unobtrusive manner. To decide the genuinely current market capitalization of ETH, we in every practical sense duplicate the flowing stock, the boundary that will for the most part be essentially made sense of later, by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey, which really is genuinely huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum most certainly remains at $432,11,677,223, which shapes the reason for present genuinely positioning fundamentally was referenced before. Yesterday on Walk 3, ETH in a real sense had a market capitalization of $411,121,225,381 in a very significant manner. Keep going week. On February 26, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to basically was recorded at $374,336,729 in a by and large huge manner. A month prior, on February 4, the market worth of Ethereum generally was surveyed to really be $277,384,742,647 in a very significant manner. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that in a real sense have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining in an extremely significant way. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This especially metric likewise calculates the coins that explicitly have been progressively gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate incredibly. At this point, the genuinely all-out supply of Ethereum in every practical sense is laid out at 120, 133, 137 ETH, so digital currencies for the most part have sort of lengthy past the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Ultimately, the circling supply truly is utilized to in every way that really matters, work out the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions in a significant way. It means the really by and large measure of ETH that for the most part is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that explicitly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use out of the blue, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. It's by and large fundamentally accepted that digital currencies that in every practical sense have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million basically are the most appropriate for long-haul speculation, since they really are without a doubt liable to, for the most part, value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which especially is genuinely critical. At this crossroads, Ethereum basically has a coursing supply of 120, 133, 137 coins, which is genuinely huge. Over the in every practical sense recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $24, 459, 624.47, which fundamentally is very critical. Yesterday on Walk 3, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $12's 24, 340, 617 in a kind of significant manner. 7 days prior, on February 26, how much ETH that generally was traded between market members generally was assessed at $14, 624 to $5,464, which especially is very huge. Presently comes an opportunity